How is it going, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's your boy Vikanug here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an eBay account to get you started selling your items on this platform. So basically what you want to do is come over to ebay.co.uk. In the top left hand corner you have sign in or register. We're going to click register. Let's enter a fake name right here. Kevin Clark. Obviously here you're going to want to put your first name and your surname. Let's enter an email address. Your email address that you have access to and that you know the password for. This will be the email address that you will be logging into to confirm your eBay account. So let's enter a email address in here. hotmail.com, and then last but not least you're going to want to enter a password, and then you click register and you are in eBay. It's as easy as that.